The kit to grab when you feel stuck and unmotivated. We all have days when everything feels heavy. You're stuck, unmotivated, and questioning whether it's even worth continuing. If you've been trying to start an online business but keep hitting mental walls, this video is for you. Feeling unmotivated doesn't mean you're failing, it means you're human. In this video, we talk about what to do on the hard days when quitting feels easier than continuing. You'll learn why willpower isn't enough and how having the right support tools can help you reconnect with your reason for starting in the first place. This message is especially helpful for online business beginners who feel caught in a cycle of starting, stopping, and doubting themselves. You'll hear why motivation often disappears when things get uncomfortable, and how simple mindset tools can help you keep moving even when progress feels slow. You don't need to force yourself through burnout. You need systems that support you when your energy is low. The Bulletproof Motivation Digital Kit is a practical digital product designed for moments exactly like this. It includes mindset tools, prompts, and training to help you reconnect with your why and keep going, especially if you're using resale rights digital kits as a simple way to build your business without starting from scratch.